Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about a beauty subscription box in India which offers you the chance to build your own box. Yes, and here it is. It's called Globox. Now Globox is a monthly subscription beauty box which helps you seek products according to your individual beauty concerns, and then it offers you products at your doorstep conveniently. Now this is the only beauty box in our country which offers 5 full-sized products. They're not sample sizes, they are full-size products, and you get a number of 5 products. You basically get to choose those 5 products out of a list of products which has 50 items. So out of 50 items, you get to choose your 5 most favorite products, and the price of those 5 products that you choose can go up to the sum of an amount of rupees 5,000. So I've built my own box here, and the total sum of the products that I have chosen for myself is 2,400 rupees. While I only paid an amount of rupees 999 for a month's subscription, which is super amazing. So obviously the monthly price of this box is an amount of rupees 999, which automatically reduces if you go with the option of a longer subscription package, say 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. So the price automatically reduces. You can also build your own box in just rupees 999 only on globox.com. Once you've logged on to the website, just click on the BYOB tab, and thereon you can decide which subscription plan you want to go for, and then you can further on select your products. So now I'll show you how I built my own box and whatever I have got for this month. It's a beautiful black cardboard box with a magnetic closure, so it can be easily reused later on. As soon as you open it, it has a thank you note and a couple of coupon codes and a detailed information about the products that are there inside the box. As you can see, the products are very nicely packed. The products that I chose for this month's BYOB are: first thing is the Makeup Revolution Salvation Velvet Lacquer in the shade Keep Trying For You. It's a beautiful red shade, and this is worth rupees 700. Then I've received this liquid foundation by this brand called NELF, and it's in the shade Beige. This is worth rupees 140. Moving on, I received this body wash which is in the Citrus Blast by FUSCHIA Natural Skincare, which is worth rupees 450. Up next, I received the Freedom Pro Glow in the shade MEOW. It's worth 650. And the last product that I've received is MCAFFEINE's NEEM Caffeine Face Wash with Argan Oil and Vitamin E. This is worth 449. So I am super happy and excited to receive the Build Your Own Box by Globox, because I got to build my own box. So I chose all the products that I wanted for this month. So everything was of my absolute personal choice. And to be honest, I exactly knew what is there in my box. So that kept me really thrilled. I got to choose all the beauty treats for this month. So apart from that, you also should hover their website and get yourself a subscription plan. So you can, as I've already mentioned, you can go for a longer plan in order to reduce some price and get some discount. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit the bell button for more notifications. I will see you super soon. Bye.